Okay, weighing our tomatoes. This one is 20, looks like 22.5 pounds. That's about right. This basket full to the top is about 25 pounds exactly. Okay, this one is so 15, 16, about 17 pounds. And the first one weighed right at 10 pounds. Okay, and this basket is looks like about 19 pounds. I'll round up the little extra that was on the first 10-pound one to make it 19 pounds. Alright, so that's 68 pounds today, and I guess a little high. However, if you'll notice, these are all really small tomatoes, so the ones that I've been gathering were quite a bit bigger before this heat came in, and before the plants got so stressed from the spider mites. You know, now they're hustling to try to ripen up. This is early girls. This whole basket here is early girls. These two are celebrities, and then this one is off of those beefsteak plants, and my few tomatillas. All right, let's go around back and look at my other plants while we're out here. Okay, now these are in a sand bed that and they're in the backyard. So they don't get a whole lot of sun, but as you can see, they get afternoon sun. These are all heirlooms. These are heirlooms I raised from seed, and so I got them started late this year. I put them in the ground late, so they were a lot smaller than those other ones when they went in the ground, and they went in the ground later. So they're just now starting to bear. I'm trying to see which companies have the real original porters and which are selling just the Porter's Pride or Porter Improved and just calling them plain porter, which they're not. They're two different things. I've got this is a Wilhite, and you can see these are kind of small. Now that one's just about the right size. They'll be a little bit bigger in a better location, but about a 2 to 4 ounce tomato. And so this is Wilhite. I think that one's 2016 seed, and this is Wilhite 2014 seed. Both labeled as original porter because they have Porter's Pride too. I don't know if there's a third variety maybe out there. Now this is Brim's seed original porter, and this is what they are. They're a little plum shaped tomato. Now they can be a little bit bigger than this in a better spot or when there's not so much heat. But see, they're setting on. They're just now coming on, and they're starting to set really well. And see, they're a pink tomato. They'll get nice dark pink, which I like. I've got a Cherokee purple back here that's coming. That's just about ready to pick, actually. I better go ahead and pick that. The bugs really like to eat these purple tomatoes and the colorful tomatoes. They love those because they're so sweet and so little acid in them. My eggplants I don't expect to produce until fall when it gets cooler, but I see this one's starting to bloom, and that one is hanging in there. Let's see what other plants we've got here. This one is one that Paul got the seed for free with something that he bought from China. And it's called a Greek tomato, and it's just about the same size as the little Porter Improved, and but it's red, whereas the Porter is, of course, is pink. Now over here we've got, let's see if I can get around here. I got these too close together. I'm gonna have to go around the back side here. I've got one Porter that hadn't even started putting on yet. This one is, what is this one? Oh, let me find it here. Where's my, there we go. Let's see what this is. This is, okay, this is Cherokee Lime, that plant is. And so I need to watch it. Look, it's called lime, but look, it's getting some color in it, some pink. So we'll see if it makes any green ripe tomatoes, or if they're all going to be like that. See, here's the Cherokee purple, and then here's the Cherokee lime, and it's starting to change colors. I was expecting a green tomato, but we'll find out. Somebody told me a couple of years ago to use this caution tape, and it works great. It holds a Sharpie marker without fading really well. Okay, so this one's called Giant Kirk, but it hasn't started even putting on yet, and it's supposed to be a massive tomato. This side over here next to this trailer must be a bad spot. They just don't get enough sun and something, so they're not producing very well. This one is okay. There's another Giant Kirk, and now it does have a tomato set on it. These are some I got from Earl at 45th Parallel, some seeds that he gave me a couple of years ago, and I was supposed to grow them out and send him back seeds, and unfortunately I had 2 years of crop failure, and then I had 2 years that I didn't plant at all, and so I'm ashamed of myself, and I hope that this year I'll be able to send him some of these seeds, since he was so generous before. Oh crap, I just broke that, whatever that is. Let's see, what is that one? I just broke it trying to put it back into the cage, and I just knocked a tomato off. See there, don't mess with your tomatoes. That was a nice big one too. I'm just gonna have to, well, let's see what it was. That was another Cherokee purple, and I knocked it off too early. Shame on me. I know, I'm making y'all seasick. I'm sorry. Okay, all right, this is Pink Ping Pong, and this is another one that Earl sent me seeds for. And so there, let me pick a couple of those. And there's some more. There's a little garden spider. Yep. Oh. Okay, and then that's Paul's Greek tomato. All right, now what have we got over here? Oh, that's that pink ping pong too. And then my new fig trees, I planted them this last winter. I bought big ones so that I'd have fruit sooner, and they're doing really well. So keep my fingers crossed on them here. Okay, now let me get out of here. And so these tomatoes should continue to produce until hopefully until the frost, and they're coming along nicely, so I'm happy about that. But if you're wanting to grow for pure production, you need to grow hybrids. They're massively more productive. The heirlooms, over time, you can develop varieties that'll be very hardy to your area and that'll produce no matter what the climate. And that's why I'm working on with the porters here, is because they're designed for a hot, dry climate. They were developed over in Stephenville by a company over there. Stephenville's only about 45 minutes an hour drive from us. So they're really good for this area. So, all right, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.